Welcome everybody to another DIY video. This right here is part 3 of building my fence. As you can see, the fence is done, but we're missing something. So I'm going to be building the gate over here and gate over here. So basically I'm gonna have a gate on each side of the house. This one is twice as big as the other one. That way, you know, if I need to bring something that's large or like, you know, drive a car through it, I won't have any issue. So I'm gonna make sure like I build them right, that way they're not sagging. I am very excited actually about this. This is the first time ever I'm building any gates, so don't judge me, but I know that my gate won't be sagging though, I can tell you that. Yes, it was the first time ever building the fence. You saw episode 1, episode 2, and now this is the third one. I'm about to build a gate, so please, if you like my videos, don't forget to push the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our videos that we're gonna be posting. A lot of DIY videos. I am not a professional, I'm just showing y'all how I do my thing, so let's do this. This one in particular is tricky because if you notice, it is not, you know, leveled. It is actually sitting this way. So I have to be very careful on how I build the frame, because I'm building my frames with wood. You could actually buy, you know, the frames, you know, where they actually already built. But me, I decided to build them with the woods that I have here because I have a whole lot of woods. So I'm just gonna measure it so I can do the frame. All right, it's important the measure that you got here to leave just a little space. That way, you know, you can have the space of, you know, opening and closing the gate. All right, as you can see, I already cut them. I'm trying to assemble this in the garage. So I'm gonna apply some glue real quick.
Okay, now you have to make sure those angles, they're exactly 45 degrees. You know, that way the gate can stay firm for a long time, because if they're crooked and they're not straight, the gate can actually start sagging sooner.
All right, now for the support piece that's going in the middle. I've seen people like do the cross, so one goes this way and one go that way, but this is a small gate. So I'm just gonna do one side. This right here will be the top. So basically you just put the wood under the frame that you already made. It will be very easy to cut and easy to mark. So I will go ahead and just mark it over here. All right, so it should fit like a glove because you measure it right. Let's see. Bam, perfect. I got the kit right here. Everything I need for this one gate here. So let's see how I'm gonna put it up. Sun's already gone, but I wanted to finish this so you can see the gate is ready to go. Yay, yay. Ready to go.
All right, that was just a little showing off moment, all right? All right, so this is what it looks like before, but now, can I get a witness? Can I get a witness?
Yay, now that's what I'm talking about right here, boy. That's what I'm talking about. How about this, huh?
How about this?
So the other side looked like this before, but now, I mean, if you want to cheer, go ahead and cheer, but you don't have to cheer. You don't, I'm lying. Go ahead and cheer.
This is pretty cool, ain't it? I mean, I am so proud of myself right now. You have no idea. I really didn't expect it to come out this good, you know what I'm saying? But it did. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, again, like it, share it, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss anything else, because I have another video about the fence that's coming out where I'll make it look very nice, very elegant, even more professional, and where I'll stain it as well. So stay tuned. The next video coming up will be the last one.